Hi, I'm Preenu Philip. I'm a fourth year BBA accounting student. I choose the initiative and entrepreneurship competency with the subcompetency which pushes me to have faith in my ideas and follow through with them. As the days passed during lockdown because of COVID, I felt like metabolism rate was going down as the body movement was decreased. I felt that this was taking a severe toll on my mental health. I realized that the only way to change the situation was to increase body movement. Since I'm not comfortable with workouts, I decided to do something else. Since childhood, I was very passionate about dance since it helped me to keep my mental and physical health in check. I then decided to schedule a certain time during the day for dancing. This brought about a massive change in my day-to-day life. That is when it hit me that there are other people that are going through a similar situation. Therefore, I wanted to encourage other people to dance, thinking it might help them. So I decided that to do this, I would create a virtual platform for people who love to dance. I realized that a business plan was fundamental to this process. So, my smart goal was to create a business plan for a dance studio. The timeline I chose to work on was between week 4 to week 7. I began the project with a growth mindset. In week 4, I was focused on gathering resources. I started reading articles on the internet and researched on YouTube on how to create business plan for dance studios. In week 5, I started working on the plan. In week 6, I took advice from family and friends. In week 7, I created an Instagram page as a marketing experiment. In brief, the plan was to create a virtual dance studio using Band app that I came across during my research. It will be named as Priya Dance Studio. Using the same strategy of non-virtual dance studios, I aim to present an affordable platform for dance professionals to conduct their virtual classes. They could contact me through the info provided on social media. The target market would be focused on individuals within the age group of 5 to 30. However, this does not mean that we would not exclude people from other age groups since dance speaks a universal language. Marketing will be mainly through social media since this is a virtual platform. Financially, it is very feasible as the cost incurred is less. Reflecting on my journey at this point, I would say the books Do the Work by Steven Pressfield and When by Daniel H. Pink were golden guides. After reading these books, I realized that resistance is unavoidable and hinders creative thought process. Especially self-doubt, procrastination, and perfection cause obstructions to most of my ideas. Having blind faith and being stubborn were my initial strategies to curb resistance. I welcomed ideas from everyone. I talked and convinced my friends and family to support me in the process. Also, my passion to dance never left me. It helped me to conquer the fear. Additionally, my chronotype was assessed as a third bird. I became aware that I'm active between the time frame of 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. This helped me to schedule my tasks ahead for the day. During the premortem, I found that procrastination and self-doubt could restrict me from achieving my goal. Any physical illness or class projects could delay the project further. I was confused on whether I should focus on giving more priority to creating a business plan or a dance studio. The biggest risk was to overcome self-doubt, which was pretty chaotic. However, I was successful on working up about 40% of the plan because my research backed me up. My grit score assured me that I will persevere and achieve the goal. I would like to take this business plan more seriously and implement the required actions for making it successful in the future.